Hi, I'm Matt from eSpares. In this video, I'll show you how to replace a door hinge on a Hoover washing machine. If your door hinge is damaged, worn, or otherwise in bad shape, it will need to be replaced to keep your door opening and closing properly. Let's go through the replacement together. For this fix, you will need a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a Torx screwdriver with a T20 and a T25 head, and of course a new washing machine door hinge, which you can find a link to in the description below. Now, safety first, always remember to unplug an appliance before carrying out any work. To access the door hinge, you need to remove the whole door by undoing the two Torx head screws that hold the door hinge and therefore the door in place, and then once they're removed, lift away from the cabinet. To access and remove the door hinge, we need to separate the two parts of the door, the inner door from the outer door. To do that, you need to use your Torx 20 head in your screwdriver and remove all the Torx screws around the inner door. Once all the screws are removed, you can use your flathead screwdriver to gently separate the two parts of the door, the inner door from the outer door. And then to remove the hinge, you need to use your Phillips head screwdriver to undo the two Phillips head screws that keep it in place. To find the correct door hinge for your washing machine, you're going to need your appliance's model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the exact hinge for your particular appliance. If you're unsure about where to find your model number, check out our video here, how to find the model number on a washing machine, that will give you all the assistance you need. To fit your new door hinge, you'll need to put it in place on the inner door. Now this one's held in place by these two plastic pips, and then you can fit your two Phillips head screws using the screwdriver. You can then refit the outer door to the inner door, just making sure that you are lining it up correctly and that gap lines up over the door hinge. The two pieces should click together. You can then refit the Torx head screws. With the door hinge in place in the door, you can now refit the whole door assembly to the washing machine by hooking the hinge in place at first and then fitting your Torx 25 screws in place. So there we have it, how to replace the door hinge on a Hoover washing machine. Hopefully your machine is back up and running once again. Now whilst you're here, check out this video, important safety checks for your washing machine, as it's always best to use your machine safely and effectively. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares, maintenance advice, repair guides, how-to guides, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.